Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into one of the coolest and most useful words in English. Could. Yes, that small word that holds so many powers. Did you know that could can help you express possibility, ability, permission, and even suggestions? So, stick around because by the end of this video, you will be a good master. But first, if you love leveling up your English skills, click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our awesome lessons. Now, let's unlock the secrets of could. Let's get started. First up, the most basic use of could. Expressing ability in the past. Think about it as the verbal version of was, were, able to, but a little softer. Imagine you're talking about something you did before. You might say, when I was a kid, I could ride my bike all day. This means in the past you had the ability to do that. Simple, right? Now, tip number 1. To form this, just use could plus base verb. For example, I could speak Spanish when I was 10. Next, let's talk about possibility. Remember, could also shows that something is possible but not certain. Say, you are wondering if it might rain today. You could say it could rain later. Here, you are not sure, but it's a possibility. Tip 2. Use could plus verb to talk about what is possible in the present or future. For example, we could go to the beach tomorrow. Now, what about asking for permission? Yes, could can be polite way to ask. Imagine you want to borrow your friend's book. You might say, could I borrow your notes? It's polite and respectful, avoiding sounding too direct. Tip 3. Use could plus subject plus verb to make polite requests. Moving on, but about giving suggestions. If you want to politely suggest something, could is perfect. For example, you could try studying in the morning. It's less noisy. It's gentle but still helpful. Tip 4. Use could plus verb for polite suggestions. Now, here's a little tricky part. Could is also used in conditional sentences if you want to talk about hypothetical situations. Like, if I had more time, I could learn the guitar. Here, could shows a possibility in a hypothetical scenario. Tip 5. When talking about unreal or imaginary situations, could plus verb is your best friend. And last, let's talk about the past form. Could have, which is used to express missed opportunities or regrets. For example, I could have gone to the party, but I was too tired. It's about something you had the ability to do but didn't do. Tip 6. Use could have plus past participle to talk about possibilities that didn't happen. So, just to recap, past ability I could swim when I was 5. Possibility it could snow tomorrow. Polite request could you help me? Suggestion you could study more. Hypothetical if I had money, I could buy a car. Regret, missed chance. I could have called her. See, code is incredibly versatile. The secret is understanding the context. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips for you. Create flashcards with could in different sentences. Practice speaking with friends and listen for could in movies and songs. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Now, what's your challenge? Try making 5 sentences using could today, covering ability, permission, possibility, and suggestion. Drop them in the comments below. I will check them out. Remember, mastering could will make your English sound polite, confident, and natural. Keep practicing, and you will be speaking like a pro in no time. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons and hit that bell so you are always notified. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep shining. Bye for now.